Look what we have here, a ground up restored 1967 SS 396 4-speed car. In 1967, the cowl tag actually decodes the car and tells you what it is. This one is exactly how it was born, with the exception of the day 2 torque thrust wheels. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 cool cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Camaro. Or you can scan the QR code and it'll bring you directly to this car. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this one's exceptionally nice. The body is in really great shape. It's straight. It fits right. It has the 67 SS hood with the chrome grills here. Has the black painted on nose stripe. All straight, clean metal. This hood fits perfectly square and flush. Fenders all nice and clean. The lip right around the wheel trim all fits right on the money. Look at the gaps. They're all spot on. All nice, clean, straight, all along the bottom, no bubbles, no issues. Here's one little nick, little scuff in the paint right there. Jams are real nice. No vinyl top, and the quarter panels are all in great shape all the way, even underneath the quarter panel. Across the trunk, it fits real nice, has the spoiler. All this is looking really good. Clean, straight metal. I don't see any issue with the body at all. Again, look all the way down here behind the tire. Underneath, it's all nice, clean metal. The trim fits the body real nice and snug. Rockers, bottom of the doors are all great. Jams are painted up real nice. Bottom of the door is real nice and clean. Shuts real nice. No issues with the roof, all nice and straight. A lot of times you'll get issues through here because of twisting and the factory seams, but it's all in great shape. The pillars are real nice. Fenders are all clean. So the body's excellent. Repainted its original Capri Cream, pretty rare color. It's polished, it's smooth, it's glossy. You'd have to look pretty darn hard to find a flaw in it. Up front, the bumper is about a 7 or 8 out of 10. Has a front spoiler. The grille looks to be new. Has T3 correct headlamps. The SS emblems. The cross flags is for the big block. All the stainless trim all looks to be replaced. The rubber seals around the vent window, the weather strips, those were all replaced as well. The wheels are brand new. They're 15-inch torque thrust 2. They're called day 2 wheels. That's what you would have put on your car the second day you owned it back then. And they're wearing radial BF Goodrich Redline tires. Now, because it's an SS 396, the tail panel is painted black. The tail lights and the chrome gas cap, all that looks to be in really nice shape. All right, let's continue. Let's open it up. We'll show you the inside. All right, show you the trunk compartment. Look at that, all nice and clean. Has a sticker painted real nicely. Has a trunk light socket there. Jam is nice. Weather strip is replaced. Inside is all clean metal with a nice spatter finish. It has a painted rim to match. The whole jack assembly, a good tire for a spare. So it's a clean and complete trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when new videos are posted. Yeah, the jams are very clean. The bottom lip of the door is clean. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels look to be in very good shape. Good 9 out of a 10. The armrests look great. Has a gold interior. Unique color combination. All this is nice and clean. The instruments are clean. It does have the tachometer. And it has a new dash pad, and all this looks very good. Original AM radio, along with the tachometer. It has the factory gauge cluster. The clock is even working. All this is nice and clean. The kick panels look good. Original type mats. Carpet's real nice. Original seat belts. This even has the flat stock Muncie shifter. That's original for this car. The whole console's in very good shape. The upholstery is all real nice. The light at the back of the console works. And even back here we have the seat belts and floor mats, and the upholstery looks to be real good. Side panels look real good. The rear shelf and the trim is all real nice. The headliner was replaced and the dome light works. The visors match. The mirror looks original, has a little bit of cloudiness in it. Steering wheel's repainted. So yeah, very nice interior. 4-speed with gauges. So this is a correct 396, 3¼ horsepower. I'm sure we have these stickers in the shop, so if you are buying this, talk to your salesman about getting a sticker on there. But all stock. The manifolds, water pump, valve covers, air cleaner, all stock components. Even the exhaust manifolds. It does have reproduction, dated 1967 spark plug wires. Little GM hose right here. Firewall's nice and clean. GM hoses and clamps. Does have the dust shield over the suspension. Spring clamp battery cables. All nice, smooth, clean metal. You got the horns, the right shroud, hoses, clamps, pulleys. Everything looks real nice and clean. Does have power steering down there. Of course, we got power brakes. And then there's the tag. It's a Los Angeles built car, and 67 only. It has the codes there that tell you what the car is, and that is just like it's sitting today, a 396 4-speed super sport car. Exceptionally clean. Michael's going to demonstrate it for you. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, there's nothing like a big block Camaro. You listen to that chambered exhaust. Holy cow, is this thing cool. 396 under the hood, 4-speed manual. Super cool nostalgic color combo. We rarely see them like this here at the museum. It is very nimble, has tight steering. I did pull a U-turn with it and was surprised by how tight the steering is on it. Of course, that does have power steering as well. All right, let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Heck yeah. The exhaust sounds great on this car. Not overbearing and extremely loud, but just a really nice rumble. Great running 396 big block under the hood. This thing is sweet. I got the heater on. Really enjoying myself. You could too. We encourage you to come down and take a test drive if you're interested. Just give us about a day's notice and we'll have the car all ready for you. But yeah, other than that, we got to check out all the details at volocars.com.
Maybe original metal on the car. Quarter panels look to be original. The floors underneath the car are just smooth, clean metal. Looks like a frame off restoration. All the components were dropped down, steering, suspension. It has the chambered exhaust. That was a factory option. It's crimped pipe. It has a nice throaty sound to it. But when it was restored, it was all redone. The fuel system, the brakes, the exhaust, Really clean. Looking up at the motor, the starter, all that's clean. Has the correct 4-speed transmission, the Muncie, 12-bolt rear end. So very nice car throughout. Good looking, real SS396 4-speed. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered. And if you need finance, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.